Okay guys, so what you see I've done here is I've measured over from the bevel onto my tape. I measure over side to side of all the objects, and then from the bottom up as well. Let's see here if I can, yeah, like that as well. See, bottom up. I write down all my measurements onto the board here, right, because I'm working by myself. I take all the ups and downs. I take this one. You'll see when I draw it how I take my marks. But yeah, so measure side to side and bottom up, and then what we do is we're going to transfer it onto the board here. Okay, so I'll show you that after I'm done drawing. Great. Okay, so now that the cutouts are drawn on the sheet, the next stage is to find a way to separate it so that the top will fit, and you could just use backing to put like a small piece in. So we're going to pick a cutout. Generally with these ones, I tend to go from here to here, straight up at the top, straight up there, across, and then straight over here so that I have room to slip in the inside of that C channel, if you see what I mean. So then this will be another part, and I'll use backing to separate the two. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to score the lines with my OLFA, and then I'm going to cut it out with a router. Yeah, so I'll show you how to do the backing next. Okay, so remember, this is why I pre-cut all this backing, so I can have tighter cuts for my cutouts. So I'll just put the backing up in here, like so, and I'll put another piece right here as well. So there's lots of backing. There's no issue with trying to save it. It's all been scrap wood, so now it's up in the wall. So yeah, you know, just screw it in like so, and you have your piece, your top. It goes, and then you screw it in like so. Oh, it'll, except for it'll fit nice and tight with the wood in there, right? So I'll show you that again when I'm done. A lot of time when you're doing tops, it's the art of actually maneuvering it into place. That's a huge trick. Sometimes you get a little hairy. So, alright, yeah. So there you have it, all neatly screwed in. So yeah, I love to cut in and around everything as tightly as possible, especially when I'm taping. Well, any taper. Tapers really do enjoy taping my work, so I know I'm doing a good job. This one here I salvaged. I did put it in yeah, I measured it backwards, but good save anyway. It's good, but that's what I mean, nice tight, very little taping. Very little taping. So backing city, but it's awesome. It makes it so easy to tape, and yeah, tops are simpler that way. So yeah, I get these ones done. I'm 6 sheets short of this job, but by the end of today I'll be done quite a lot. So just those 6 sheets will be remaining, and yeah, I'll gladly give you a walkthrough of my progress. ChrisKonkleVlogs, check out my new website, ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye for now.